Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello and welcome to the Vskills channel, and today in this video we will talk about the benefits of learning GoLang and compare it to Java and Python. Indeed, GoLang is a relatively new programming language compared to Java and Python, but it has gained widespread acceptance and popularity in recent years due to increased industry adoption, popular choice for building high-performance applications, simple and concise syntax, and cross-platforms application. While Java and Python are popular languages for building applications, GoLang offers several advantages over these languages. Here are some reasons that why you might want to learn Go instead of Java or Python. So first is concurrency. Go is designed for concurrent programming with built-in features like goroutines and channels that make it easy to write concurrent and parallel programs. While Java and Python also support concurrency, Go's built-in features make it easier to write highly concurrent and scalable applications. Second is performance. Go is a compiled language that is known for its fast execution and efficient memory management. It is generally faster than both Java and Python in terms of execution time, making it a good choice for building high-performance applications. Now, the third point is simplicity. Go has a simple and concise syntax, making it easier to learn and read than Java or Python. It has fewer keywords than both languages, which can make it easier to understand and write code. Fourth is static typing. Go is a statically typed language, which means that type checking is done at compile time. This can be help catch errors early in the development process and improve overall code quality. The fifth point is cross-platform. Go is a cross-platform language, meaning that it can run on different operating systems without needing modifications to the code. This makes it an excellent choice for building applications that need to run on different platforms. Overall, the acceptance of Go has grown rapidly in recent years, and it is now considered as a viable alternative to Java and Python for building applications. While Java and Python have established ecosystems and large communities, Go's unique features and advantages have helped it gain widespread acceptance in the industry. So, what are you waiting for? Become job ready with Vskills GoLang certification. If you like the video, then smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.